Hi Rajeev, welcome to OAC.
Thanks. So,
Can you tell our audience what you have bought for the OAC audience today?
when we are talking about, first I will start with my company. So we are from Newtech Video Systems, that is the India's largest LED wall suppliers and manufacturers. And we were established in 2009, and we have started our manufacturing facility in 2016. And we have across India presence, and we are a manufacturer of all type of LED technologies which is readily available in the market. Like we have COB, SMD, GOB, all types of indoor, outdoor video walls. So we are presenting here different type of various solution like transparent mesh system are there. We are presenting our energy efficient series for the outdoor media purpose. Then we also displaying here COB, chip on board technology, which comes for the indoor and as well as for the P0.9 pixel pitch. Yes.
Okay. So tell us, how was the response yesterday?
Honestly saying, the experience was really very good. The biggest brand like Ronak Advertising, Shiri Advertising, Proactive Advertising. So I can say this is the really very good platform to meet with the company's owners, like decision makers, that really helpful for us to crack big opportunities with them.
Okay. So like you mentioned about COB technology and NVS, bringing in a lot of solutions. So what do you think are the challenges in the industry that NVS is trying to solve here?
Yes, though there are basically two challenges which industry is really facing at this point of time. First, there are many suppliers for active LED display. There is no point of doubt. But the thing is that the electric power consumption, this is a huge problem for our industry. This is just like एक single slang like हाथी पालने जैसा हो गया है. तो इस केस में हम लोगों का जो पावर कंजप्शन है, we can reduce up to 30%. And this is the best technology which we are using, like common cathode technology. So Newtech presented its bright series models which come in up to 8000 brightness, 9000 brightness, 10,000 brightness in 4.4 pixel pitch and 6.6 pixel pitch. Second scenario, the industry facing the problem like sometimes when their boards are off, so they do not get the proper alert. So we have that type of technology even in millions of pixels. If there is a one pixel is dead, we can let you know there is a one pixel that is dead, you can rectify it. Even and more advancement, if in a single pixel there are three types like RGB. If even R is failure, we can also let you know on your system like single bulb R color is failure. So this type of solution we are working on it. Our company is totally focused on the solutions and totally focused on the problem. So we will provide the best solution to the industries.
We wish all the very best to NVS. We have been seeing the company grow over the last 10 years and so. So all the very best, Rajeev.
Thank you, madam. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.